Representing for the Barbs them. Nicki this, Nicki that, Nicki.
Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. Bless up everybody upon the Sunday. Hope everybody eat them dinner already. Everybody belly full, eat on the ice cream and everything. Alright people, so no don't see what going in the night. The news hot. We did have to drop that video here. So the new remix that everybody has been anticipating, it is finally out people. Skeng and Nicki Minaj burning up the place, heating up the internet. So I'm gonna drop couple more second at the track people and come back and reason about it. Yeah, my people, that a piece of the Skeng and you don't know make a drop piece of the Nicki Minaj as well. So everybody make a beg on to just like, share, subscribe on the video and please stay on as well because we have a next update. Vybz Kartel, Usain Bolt changing how Vybz Kartel changed his life at 18 years old. So I could go and vibe a little bit people. Yeah, my people, the vibe turn up over here. The vibe turn up. Alright, so that's the Nicki Minaj feature. And you don't know, we can't drop everything over here, people. So, wanna just tell me what you think about it so far. And based on what me drop, that must empower you for go over there, so go listen to the rest side. Alright, so you can check it out and then, yeah, comment, get the comment section active and talk about how we feel. Is it hot or is it not? Me, I got graded for myself and say it hot. It hot, people. Alright, so and that I got take me into the next update that I have here for y'all, and that's about Usain Bolt, people, talking about how Vybz Kartel changed his life at 18 years old. And I'm gonna just quote exactly what Usain Bolt said, and you can look on the screen as well, people. The full news clipping or the full update is there, the full story and so on. I'm just gonna quote what Usain Bolt said specifically. He said, "I will always remember when I was 18 years old and met you for the first time." And when he said met you, he's speaking about Vybz Kartel, people. And he said, "I will never forget up at Mona campus when you told me that I was the baddest athlete to ever forward from Jamaica." All right, and then Usain Bolt is pretty much saying that that was a groundbreaking moment in his life, because people, you know that Vybz Kartel is is a popular entertainer, a very big dancehall entertainer, and big up to him anyway there as well. But yeah, this is pretty much the update I have here to you people, and you can go and check out the full news as well with regards to Usain Bolt, and he gave some heartfelt details as well. I'm just gonna go run with that little snippet there, and people, yes, I'm gonna jump off for the rest of the day. Please tell me what you feel about that video here, and please like, share, make we get the music, make we get the news out and the music out as well, because Jamaican Chat should be sweet music in people's ears. Alright, thank you for joining me today. Jamaican Chat, big up.